Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the update on TIA. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of TIA has formed a very huge falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, and while moving inside that wedge, it has formed another down channel and broke it out as well. And this was one of those videos. And now if you take a look at the live chart, and this is by the way a daily time frame, and this was the channel that I was showing you recently. We have broken out, and after the breakout, the price and could not break out this resistance of $2.20 that was previously breaking as support here, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. We got rejection here, and now it is dropped down at this next support of $1.68. That was recently breaking as a resistance here, and now it is acting as a support. And on the 7 days time frame chart, this is the falling wedge pattern that we are following for the past several weeks or month. And now the movement is getting squeezed inside this wedge. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared a few days ago on 1st of August 2025 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 30% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared on 1st of August 2025 with my members. And that was a bullish AB equal to CD move that TIA was completing on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup, a buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price line dropped more down and entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very nice reverse and the price line rallied beyond the sell target zone. So far, it has pumped almost 30%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, after getting rejected by the resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern, it was moving inside this down channel that we have broken out a few days or weeks ago. And now this time it can hit a crisscross of two resistance levels. One will be this price level resistance of $2.20, and other one will be a long-term downtrend and resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this recent down channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $3.36, but in my opinion, it can also hit this long-term resistance zone as well. That starts from $3.70 and goes to $4. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone has been previously acting as a very strong and long-term support zone for several months, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. We got rejection here, and again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of TIA. And the long-term target for the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern will be, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $21. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.